Hello Visionary Beauties, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are here for the first time, welcome. My name is Annette and I'm glad to have you here on my channel. So I have some exciting things for you today. I collaborated with Ninja Transfers and I have to say that I am super stoked for you guys to see what I uncovered about this company. Now they did reach out to me. At first I was like, I don't know, and then I was like, why not? I love everything as far as crafting, hair, makeup, and nails. So it's right up in my genre because I'm pretty much a jack of all trades. Hair goes hand in hand with fashion and vice versa. So why not go ahead and review some stuff since I make my own t-shirts anyways. Let's go ahead and get into this video. Let me just give you a couple stats about the company. Now, they don't just make DTF transfers, they make patches. They have t-shirt blanks, sweaters, hoodies, whatever you may need. They're like a one-stop shop. They're like a Walmart for customization. Like, they're amazing. They also have a print shop where they can literally ship the items to your customers with your designs or your desired customizations and ship it directly to your customers where you don't have to worry about anything. So t-shirt printing is not new to me. I'm familiar with eco-solvent printing, sublimation printing, and using HTP vinyl. So I've been wanting to get into DTF for a while, but it's very expensive. The machine and the upkeep are expensive and time consuming. So this is a great way for the average person or the DIYer or the person wanting to start a business to get into DTF at a reasonable price without the hassle. This is also great when limited on space. Keep in mind, all file types are accepted, vectors are preferred, and no less than 300 DPI. I ended up getting a gang sheet, which I'm going to show you, and you can pretty much put as much prints as you want on there within reason. When you're doing this, if you don't have a gang sheet already printed up, which I didn't at the time, I went ahead on their website, which is pretty easy to understand, and made my gang sheets on there. Now with some of the prints, I did do some of them with the recommended quality, which is 300 DPI, and I did some with lower qualities. Now there's a color gradient system on the website as you're making your gang sheet, and it tells you exactly the quality of the prints that are going to come out. I believe it's green, orange, and red, but I'm not sure. I'm going to insert that in this video. It'll leave a box around the image and it'll let you know the quality of that image as well as the print size and width. You could also duplicate them. You can click duplicate if you don't want to sit there and add each individual size, or if you're doing just one print and you just press duplicate, you could just continue to duplicate all the way down, which I do like. It saves time. With that said, this product came in about 2 days. It was pretty fast from the time that I placed the order. They were really fast. It was self-explanatory. They come in a length of 2 feet, 5 feet, 7 feet, 10 feet, and 20 feet. I can't wait to see what the patches look like. I can't wait to get my hands on some of those patches and do some patchwork and couple that with the whole DTF. You can also order by size as well, and I believe they also make permanent stickers. So they pretty much have everything there. You can check out their website. I'll leave a link in it down below. And yeah, the prices are phenomenal. I really can't wait to order me some more prints. I'm excited. My family's excited. Like, everybody's like, hey, can I get a print? Can I get a print? Like, it's crazy. It's gorgeous. And let me stop rambling so you can see the prints for yourself. So let's go ahead and open this up. I am so excited to get into this box. I'm hoping it is everything that people are raving about. So far, just a little peek, because it's covered in paper, it looks amazing. The actual gang sheet is covered in this parchment paper securely. A little bit of heat tape. Open this up. So we got some instructions about the product, some samples, and last but not least, the gang sheet. So it just has my information and the prints that I purchased. Before I unroll it, I'm going to tell you that the prints look really good. Not pixelated or anything. And I purposely picked some designs that weren't the best quality just to see how it would come out. And even those came out really good. This is extremely long. I'm going to try to get all of this in here. I'm gonna try to roll these out. Look at this. Oh my gosh, my girls look flawless, amazing. It's even better in person. Like, seriously, the details. Let's keep it going with the drip. Come on. Sickening. And some of these I did purposely with different quality. Woo! Keep it going. This is one of the poor quality ones over here that I did, and it came out phenomenal. Like, this is crazy. Do you guys see the? Do you see the colors on this? And I made sure to utilize this whole gang sheet with different variations of colors, words, prints, everything, small, big, everything. Like, amazing. This is about to be so fun. And then on the back of here is where the adhesive would be. As you can see here. I can't wait to get this pressed onto a t-shirt. So when working with a gang sheet, you just have to separate the prints by cutting them out. So here we have the prints cut out. I'm not going to press all of these. I'm just going to press 2 shirts with 2 images. Let me give you a little bit of instructions on what you can use them on. And then there's DTF Transfers for soft products like t-shirts, apparel, hats, bags, aprons, jackets, koozies, etc. Works on all material, colors, stretch levels, and more. They also have a tutorial on their website to teach you how to create a gang sheet and navigate their website. You want to set your heat temperature at 310 degrees for about 15 seconds. These are cool pill transfers. I'm going to go ahead and show you some of these images. Like, these are phenomenal. Now I'm going to show you some of the smaller ones that I purposely did on a lower grade the images. Here are some of those, and they're also small. So I want to see how small I could get with the images. I even got smaller than that with some of my characters, the Net Beauty character. And it didn't take away from the color. These are some of the images like I have in the big forms. And as you can see, the colors are still vibrant. I'm going to go ahead and press. These are all the other images, some of the other images. I'm going to go ahead and press this bear and press the Rose Grove. So these are 2 images I'm going to work with today. And just before, I just want to show you real quick some of my favorites, which are my girls. Really quick. Tell me these are not fire. These girls are given. I can't wait to play with these. I don't know what I want to do with them, but I know I'm going to do something. Ninja Transfer also makes perma stickers, and these are samples. You can put them on cups, mugs, cards, different things. These are just how small, I guess how small they can get them as well. But these are perma stickers. And they also make patches. And I can't wait to try some of those patches. Let me put this stuff to the side. And these are the shirts we're going to be pressing on. So these are a really thick sweater and a somewhat thick sweater. So I would have traditionally did it on a t-shirt, but because it's winter, I want to see how good it adheres to these thick sweaters. So we're going to go do that. And I'm going to take it over to the press, and then we'll meet you over there. I'll preset the heat press to 310. And now I'm going to go ahead and place the image on the shirt in the position that I want it. Now they say you don't have to pre-press, so I'm not going to pre-press the shirt. So we're going to see how that comes out. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to use some heat transfer tape. So 15 seconds. Right? After pressing, allow for 15 to 30 seconds for the shirt to cool. For the final press, place the parchment paper over the design and press for an additional 15 seconds to soften and remove the shine. And here is the completed look. Super smooth, and it's really embedded into the fabric. I'm repeating the same steps for the next shirt and design. So this is just with the one press. And it came out perfectly. And that's what you're left with. Let's take a look at this print. This is fire. Fire, fire, fire. And it feels like it came in a shirt like this. So I decided to bring my husband on because we were super stoked about these prints. These prints are amazing. Like the whole time we were just giddy, like children. So just checking out these prints, like it just doesn't do it any justice on camera. They are gorgeous in person. Okay, showing that one. The prints are crazy. I'm rocking one of them, unapologetically dope, and that's an understatement for this brand, for this company. They are unapologetically dope. Like the prints came off fantastic. I couldn't ask for anything better. They are like a one-stop shop. Now, my husband is here because he's not very DIY savvy. He doesn't like to do things like this, but he would love to get into it. So for the average person like him who could just take a transfer and put it onto a t-shirt, all you really need is a heat press. It saves time, work, the hassle, all of it. It's amazing. What do you think?
I think they look dope. I mean, these look like sweaters that you can buy at a store for like $70, $80 and stuff. I love the designs, the color, how they came out, just dope.
So, difficulty level, what would you say it was?
It was easy to put them on the heat press and follow the instructions as far as for the temperature and the settings, and then once you press them on, and they're permanent, they're good to go. And the color, everything, they're like they came onto the shirt, as you can see from the different designs that she has. In
this crafting space, you know how I love to craft. Mm-hmm. For someone who doesn't necessarily know the in and outs of crafting, or feel like they don't have the capabilities of crafting, but they want to get into this field and they want to do t-shirt printing, or they like to be an individual and like to customize things, and maybe even for selling for a business standpoint, what do you think about that?
I think they would definitely love this, and they could definitely have fun with the creativity of designs and shirts and characters, and yeah, it's really dope. Why don't you show them some of the designs?
I feel like we're in the we're really into the thick of the holidays, right? So you want to do some prints, you want to do some pillows, you could even put these on, make smaller prints, put them on canvas shoes. Come on, customization is endless. Look at these. You can get for about roughly around $130 just for the prints. I don't know what the shipping would be, but for roughly $130, you can get as many prints onto these gang sheets, and you can have anywhere from 30 to 40 prints or more where you can customize gifts for your family members inexpensively. You can put them on t-shirts, you can put them on pillows, just about any garment, which is absolutely amazing. When you say like this could be gifts for Christmas,
yeah,
easily,
definitely,
easily. Like I'm speechless. It's phenomenal. I did a lot of these prints, like this one. I purposely did it in a lower grade imaging, and it still came out fantastic. Some of these were printed in a lower grade. I tried it in different sizes just to see how small that I can get them. Try them in different color gradients.
This is an example of a bear in like 2 different sizes, and this is the exact same bear that I'm wearing on this sweatshirt right here now. And people, when I see the people wear it, they think that I bought this from a store and ask them how much it costs, and just buy the shirt and the prints and put it on.
Let's be honest, we tend to spend a lot of money in certain brand stores where our kids love, and this would easily cost us $50 for this shirt.
Yeah.
And for the price of...
Let me show them the girls.
Yeah, the girls. My girls. Come on. Get into this. Even my logo. I created this a while back. And this is not even the best quality as far as the images I use. This has nothing to do with the company. And it still came out fantastic. I used my brother's company logo on here. I used some of my logos up here. I just played with it. Play with it like a boss. Play with it like a boss. I absolutely love the way this came out. I have so many prints, so much fun. I'm going to have a lot of fun creating some stuff for the holidays. And yeah, I'm pretty much might be set for gifts. I think I might be set. I'm going to do some more playing around with these over the course of the next couple of weeks. So hopefully I'll have some other ideas for you guys that you can do with these. So I've been seeing them all over social media, and I was like, okay, let's see what you got. And they didn't disappoint. Not
Sent
at
them
all.
of them. So all of these came on what size of the sheet that they sent you?
So the sheet that I received was the 10 feet.
So all of these prints and designs came on 10 feet.
Just the vibrancy of the colors.
Show them all the
So
rest of them.
when you are designing your prints or your gang sheet on the website, you just want to make sure that it's a DP. They recommend the DPI 300, and you just want to make sure that it's a transparent design. So you don't want any unless you want that white background. But if you don't want that, you want it to come out like these, then you want to make sure it's transparent background.
Yeah, I'm gonna definitely put these on a shirt.
This chocolate lit is the key word. But
these are girls are the last one. These are some more characters that you did. I mean, the quality on
you know
them,
I do pink.
it looks amazing. Like these look like pictures of real girls,
Yes.
just cartoonized. The detail on them is dope.
Amazing.
So these will look really good on shirts, jackets, you name it.
You could do some inspirational pillows, whatever. Put it on a customized little blanket, some pants, a whole outfit. Like I said, some canvas shoes, sneakers. I mean, yeah. So I want to say a special shout out to Ninja Transfer because you really put the ninja in this right here. Like this is sharp. Okay, so I want to shout them out. I want to say thank you for collaborating with me. Hopefully we can collaborate again. I love the capability of customizing my clothes, and I will hopefully have some merch because I think I'm definitely going to be ordering some more real soon. Let me know what you guys think about this video. If you've used their products, let me know how you feel about them, and leave all the comments down in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. So before I go, I want to mention, if you want to check out this company, I'll leave all information in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And as always, stay fabulous and be your own vision of beauty. Till next time, bye.